Hello there, my name is Tameron here at Tameron Hyundai, Hoover, Alabama. Thank you so much for showing interest in our beautiful Hyundai Elantra GT. I'm excited to dive in with you. So let's begin. Here in the front, a beautiful cascading grille. We got the LED wraparound headlights, we got the daytime running lights, premium alloy wheels, nitrogen filled tires, turn signal, blind spot detection, keyless remote entry. Of course, the GT has the hatchback look. This particular one has the sunroof, panoramic sunroof, premium leather throughout the whole vehicle, heated seats, passenger and driver, 7-inch touchscreen display that comes with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a ton of safety features such as backup camera, cruise control, and blind spot detection. But the best part about our vehicles are the warranties. We have a 5-year, 60,000-mile new car warranty and a 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, which we double to 20 years, 200,000 miles. Give me a call. My personal cell phone is area code 703-505-1598. Ask for Tameron at Tameron Hyundai here in Hoover, where you're going to love the way you're treated.